Imagine a culinary journey to the vibrant heart of Mexico without leaving your kitchen. Picture a dish that's a symphony of flavor, color, and texture. A crunchy corn tortilla shell, cradling a sumptuous filling of spiced ground beef, juicy tomatoes, crisp lettuce, creamy avocado, and a sprinkle of sharp cheddar cheese. Top it off with a dollop of tangy sour cream and a drizzle of fiery salsa. Yes, you're envisioning the classic Mexican taco, a dish that's as fun to create as it is to consume. The first step on this culinary adventure is to prepare the ingredients. Choose a ripe avocado, firm tomatoes, and fresh lettuce. Dice them into bite-sized pieces. Grate a block of cheddar cheese, the sharper the better. For the ground beef, season it with a blend of spices: cumin, chili powder, garlic powder, and a touch of oregano. The spices lend the meat a smoky, spicy flavor that's quintessentially Mexican. Now it's time to cook the beef. Heat a generous splash of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the beef, breaking it up with a spoon as it cooks. Once it's browned, stir in the spice mix, and let it simmer until it's aromatic and the flavors meld together. As the beef cooks, warm the tortillas. They can be heated in a dry skillet over medium heat. Flip them once or twice until they're warm and pliable. This step is essential as it softens the tortillas, making them easier to fold and more enjoyable to eat. Once the beef is ready and the tortillas are warm, the stage is set for the final act: assembling the tacos. Lay a warm tortilla flat, spoon a generous helping of the spiced beef onto it, followed by the diced tomatoes, crispy lettuce, and creamy avocado. Sprinkle on the grated cheese while the beef is still hot, so it melts slightly. Top it all off with a dollop of sour cream and a drizzle of your favorite salsa. Voila! The Mexican tacos are ready. Each bite is a burst of flavor: the crunch of the tortilla, the savory beef, the fresh vegetables, the creamy cheese, and the zesty salsa, all harmonizing together. In summary, making Mexican tacos involves preparing the ingredients, cooking the spiced beef, warming the tortillas, and then assembling the tacos. Each step is simple, but together they create a dish that's a feast for the senses. So, step into your kitchen and embark on this culinary journey to Mexico. The delicious destination is well worth the journey. Enjoy the ride and the meal. Bon appétit!